German woman goes crazy. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. A 27-year-old German woman destroyed the car of her former boyfriend. What did happen? Well, the former boyfriend, or till then boyfriend, quit the relationship. The woman went instant crazy and insane, got into her car and rammed and smashed into the new car of her former boyfriend. The accident and the force was that heavy that even a house get in. There's the car, there's her car, and there's a wall, and she smashed a few times the car, and even the wall of the house get a little bit of destruction. Anyway, the car was a new VW Passat and a damage about 6,000 euro. Bystanders say the woman smiled crazy when she did this. I guess this is some kind of Joker craziness level out there inside the German woman, where you should be aware. And thankful the man realized too late with what insane crazy woman he got into. And when he realized it and want to cut the ties to save himself from the crazy woman, then she got totally insane. Then the police got to the house of the woman and took away her driving license. I guess probably she will not get it back again. I hope so, at least. Furthermore, no insurance will pay for this, so she will pay for this quite a lot. Be aware when you choose a German woman what is deep inside her. Stay safe, stay alert. Till the next time, and cheers!